Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do number 292, Nim Game. This is an easy level problem on LeetCode. I'm going to solve it in JavaScript. So this is less of a programming question and more of your problem-solving logic kind of question. So there's not that much code to solve this. So we have a game here, and we have a game where we take turns between you and another friend, two people, and you always go first. So there's heaps available, which is indicated by n, and you can remove one between 1 and 3 stones each turn, and whoever removes the last stone wins. And we want to return true if you can win optimally, and if you can't win optimally, the other person returns false. We return false. So how we're going to solve this is that we got to think of examples. So let's say n is 1. So when you have one stone, you go first, and to play optimally, you take the 1 stone, so you win. Now, let's say there's 2 stones. To play optimally, you can take both of the stones and you win. Now, let's say there's 3 stones, and to win optimally, you can just take the 3 of them and win right away. So let's say 4 of them. Okay, so 4 of them, you can, if you take 1, okay, if you take 1, your opponent can take 3 and you will lose. If you take 2, your opponent can also get 2 and you will lose. And if you get 3, your opponent can get 1 and you will lose. So each case scenario, you will lose. So let's say 5. Okay, 5, your choice is 1, 2, 3. So if you take 1, your opponent can take 1 between 1 and 3. And then once it goes back to your turn. So you take 1, there's 4 left, and then your opponent can pick 1 or 3. And whatever you pick, it goes back to you, and then you can pick it to win. Same thing with 2. If you pick 2, so you'll win if you pick 1, no matter what. So we don't have to even go through these other cases, so you will win. And then let's say 6. 6, if you take 1, and it just narrows down to this logic. 6, if you take 1, your opponent can take, there's 5 left. So you don't want to have it so there's 5 left because your opponent will win. 6, you want to take 2, so your opponent will have 4, and then 4 you can't figure it out, so you'll win if you take 2. So the key here is that 4 is the losing number, and this will continue on for 7 and 8. So you just wanted to return true if it's, we'll have to see if this number is divisible by 4. So return n does not equal to 4. Mod So that's all there is to it, if it's divisible by 4 or not. Sorry, there's too many equal signs. And that's it. And yeah, you don't have to worry about the time complexity. It's not really solving it, but it's O of 1. Well, let's talk about it. So time complexity will be O of 1. This is just one calculation. And the space complexity will also be O of 1. And that is how you solve this problem. Thank you.